Hi, in this video, we are going to see about creation of multiple vans. That is, studying creation of multiple vans using the switch-in packet tracer. So the scenario one is we need to create a 6 PC with three different VLAN. So using a common single switch, perform communication from one PC to another within another VLAN, and we need to write down the CLI commands in the record and screenshot for proof. So apart from this third point, we need to perform this 2 points. That is, we need to create a 6 PC in three VLAN. So three VLAN we need to allocate, and we need to create, and we need to allocate the 6 PC into the three VLANs, and we need to use a single switch to perform the communication between this one PC to another between the VLAN and other VLAN. So between the VLAN, so within, that is within the VLAN is called interVLAN, sorry, intraVLAN. So that is from PC to another PC in different VLAN are called interVLAN. So that is inter and intraVLAN communication we need to perform. So now let us go into the packet tracer, and we are going to implement this thing in this. So first of all, we need to take a switch. So I'm going to take a 2960 switch. I'm going to implement here, and they have set the 6 PC. So PC 6 PC. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the three VLAN. So each VLAN contains two PCs. So we are taking two PCs for each VLAN. So there will be three VLANs. So first of all, we need to connect this switch with the PCs. So using a copper straight through cable. So this PC08 fast Ethernet to, sorry, uh, we can use automatic switch. Next PC1, next PC2. It will be allocated through line by line. That pin configuration it will be assigned line by line. 4 and then 5. So if you see here, Ethernet cable 0 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 pin has been allotted to 6 PCs, and we need to this is the thing, and we need to create a VLAN here. So first, before creating a VLAN, we need to allocate a IP address for each PC. So let us assign here for a PC number one is 192.168.1.1. So this is for the first PC. So the subnet mask will be default 255.255.255.0 for all PCs. This is PC1. For PC2, IP address is 1.2. For PC3, the IP address is 1.3. PC4, the IP address is 1.4. PC5, this is 1.5, and for PC6 it is 1.6. So we have been allotted the IP address. Now we need to configure the switch. So switch configuration, we need to give a command. So to configure the switch, we need to enter into a mode. So we need configuration mode. So for that is we need to enable the configuration mode. So enable command. So we need to go into the sub mode. We need to, that is, we need to configure this switch. So we need to give config terminal, sorry, config terminal. So it is enter into the sub mode. Now we need to create a three VLAN. So first VLAN is VLAN 10. I'm going to create. The name of the VLAN is first, and then I'm going to exit from this VLAN. Now second VLAN we are going to make is 20, and the name of the VLAN is second, and I'm going to exit from this VLAN. And third VLAN is 30, and the name of the VLAN is third, and I'm going to exit. Now let us see, that is um, exit from this. Now let us see show VLAN. So it will be show here, that is first, second, third. So three VLAN, that is in status active. Now let us assign the so that is PC. So PC to each VLAN. So we need to assign that PC. So I'm going to again enter into config mode, config T. Next I'm going to, that is first PC is allotted in, that is connected through first Ethernet 0 by 1. So first pin. So we need to take the first pin. So we need to go into the pin mode and we need to assign that pin into VLAN. So FA, that is fast Ethernet short form 0 by 1. So this is the pin. The first PC is connected. So we need to go inside the interface of the pin. Now we need to allocate, that is the command is switch port mode access, then switch port access. We need to access this to VLAN 10. So VLAN 10. So I'm allocating this to VLAN 10. Sorry, invalid. So switch, that is I have made a mistake. SWI. So switch port VLAN 10. Now it will be allocated. Now let us exit from this. So now we have allocated the PC1 to VLAN 10. That is, we have made changes in that connected pin. So we need to do for all the pin, that is all the for PC same like the first one we have been done here. So same I'm going to do for second, that is second for I'm going to allocate in a switch port same VLAN 10. I'm going to exit here. Next I'm going for third VLAN, that is we need to allocate in second VLAN. So VLAN, that is 20. So I'm going to exit. Next VLAN 4, that is in second, then I'm going to exit. Next VLAN 5, this is I'm going to allocate in third VLAN. So third VLAN, that is 30. VLAN number is 13. Now I'm going to exit. Next fourth sixth pin, that is in VLAN 3, that is 30. Exit. Now let us exit from this configure table. Now let us see that show VLAN. You have seen that first, second, third. So each is active. The pin are 1 and 2 are alerted to VLAN 10. 3 and 4 are alerted to VLAN 20. 3 and 4 are alerted to VLAN 30. Now let us communicate between this. Now check a communication. So now for communication I'm going for command prompt. For connecting with other PC we need to use the ping command. So ping command is used for communicating, that is whether the network is connected to the another PC. So I'm going to ping the IP address of the same, the IP address of the second PC. So IP address second PC I have given is 192.168.1.2. did you see it is replying? That means it is connected. This is connected successfully. That is the thing. Now let us try with the PC3. That is PC3 IP address is 192 point that is 1.3. It will be, let us see it will whether it is connecting or not. See here request timeout. Next it will be request timeout. Let us see it will be connected or request timeout. Again it is showing request timeout. It is showing it is not connecting. This means it is a request timeout. The command throws here, that means that it is not connecting, because the what is the thing behind here is the PC0 and PC1 are of same VLAN. That is I have shown that VLAN 10 has been allotted, this two PC has been allotted to VLAN 10. So PC2 and PC3 are allotted to different, that is VLAN 20. So PC4 and PC5 are allotted to different VLAN, that is VLAN 30. So if you see here, the first two are allotted to VLAN 10, second two are allotted to VLAN 20, and last two are allotted to VLAN 30. So the communication, the PC can communicate between, that is within the same VLAN PCs, the same member of the VLAN, the PC can communicate with same member of the VLAN can be achieved, but the PC cannot communicate with the other member of the VLAN. That is, different VLAN member cannot be communicated through this using this single switch. For that, we need to use the router. So for that uh, for that case, we need to add a router, and we need to configure the router. So in that way we can communicate with the other PC. So that is the thing. Using this was the first scenario. That's it. Now let us see the second scenario. Same as we need to create a 8 PC with 4 different VLANs. So here we allotted 3 different VLAN. Here another PC will become. So use two switch. So here they have allotted two switch. So that diagram also they have been given here. Here two switch. So now four VLAN, each switch contains four PC. So 4 4 8. So two switch are there. Now so this was the one part, and this was the one part we have been created. Another part we have to create, but there are total of 8 pieces. So here we need to remove the 2 PC extra. Now let us remove this part. um, let us remove. I have been removed. Now it will be, this is of 2 VLAN. um, so this is of 2 VLAN. Now let us create another switch. So another switch I'm going to create. So here another switch of I'm going to connect a PC, 4 PC here. That is 1 2 3 and 4. Let us assign this to this PC. Next this. Next we are going to assign this pin. There, assign this pin. Now let us see here. The pin number allotted are 1 2 3 4 are allotted. That is 6 7 8 9. Now let us arrange them properly. Now we can allot the IP, that is IP configuration 192.168.2.1 I'm going to give here. Next is 2.2, 192.1 68.2.2. Next 192.1 68.2.3. Next 2.168.2.4. Now each IP address has been allotted to each PC. Now let us connect these two PCs here. That is, I'm going to connect which pin? I'm going to connect with the 24th pin to 24th pin. So it has been connected, but the communication between the two switch will not be happen, because we need to do some special command. So before that, going to that command, let us configure this switch. That means we need to create another two VLAN here. So we can configure, that is same we have done in the first switch. First we need to enable, then config terminal, config 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 t. Now we need to create a VLAN. So VLAN I'm going to create here 30. So VLAN 30 here, and the name of the VLAN is third, and I'm going to exit from here. Same will same I'm going to create a 40, and the name of the VLAN is fourth, and I'm going to exit from here. Now let us alert the PCs to the VLAN. Now this first pin, that is first PC 0 by 1, and switch port mode access, then switch port mode, sorry, switch port access VLAN 30, VLAN 30. Now let us exit. Next, for second PC, that is also we are going to assign for VLAN 30. I'm going to exit here. Next, for third PC, that is in VLAN 40, we are going to access same alert. So I'm going to assign as VLAN 40. Next, I'm going to exit. Next, fourth PC, that is for VLAN 40. So now let us now we have been alerted the VLAN 40 here. Now the switch configuration has been made. So if you perform that, it will be here the 40 30 30 40 40 here, uh, 10 10 20 20, and for third and fourth pin are we have been taken. So now we need to perform a communication between this two. For that, which pin has been that is the switch, the both switch are connected to, that is 24th pin, fast internet 0 by 24. So for that we need to make here, that is inside config mode, we need to go config. So here that pin number is FA, that is FA 0 by 24. So in that pin we need to make switch port mode trunk. So trunk is the command we need, it is going to connect here. So it is, see here, line protocol on interface 24 change state to down, and first change to up, so it is changed to up. Now let us that's all, it is exit from here. So same command we need to give here also, that is interface FA 0 by 24. So here also switch port mode trunk. So it will be trunk here. So exit. So if you perform if you try to communicate with this same PC, it will be alerted. So that is ping 192.168 point sorry 2.2 second PC. So it will be communicated successfully. But if you give different VLANs IP PC's IP address, it will won't be communicated, that is 68.2.3. So 2.3 if you give, that is of different VLAN species, so it will be not collected, that is communicated. So it will gives request timeout. So here it gives the request timeout. So that's the thing. So it will be not communicated, so that is it will be terminated. So it will be terminated with request timeout, that is packet send 4 received 0, that is lost 0 for 100% loss. So that is the thing. This is the creation of multiple VLAN and allocating PCs to the each VLAN. So this is the thing as we have seen in the question. So thank you for the patience.